My name is Lukas. I love coffee. Sometimes I like people as well. Depends a bit on the daytime. And originally I'm from Zurich. I work there, the University Library Zurich, as a liaison librarian. First thing is AI literacy as a topic. For me, it's not actually about AI literacy because of the sake of AI literacy. For me, it's kind of like the bigger picture. There would be information literacy, which is for me like one of the core values that academic libraries present. So I think we should take care of this topic. The interviews that we collected, this was for me personally really touching, and the interviews gave really this more better connection to what do people believe or feel or think about Gene AI. And I think just this is nice because then you understand better what are really the concerns or really the opportunities for them. But the main part was the crafting of the workshops that we conducted together for 3 target groups of the library. It's like a church, right? This is why I now feel a bit uncomfortable in speaking here. No, I mean, it really depends who's around. And I think sometimes the atmosphere is closer to the food court, and sometimes it's closer to the church. So this kind of thing, it depends a bit. Yeah, I think the thing that stands out to me at the very end, it's about the people, right? Because I think it's the people make the place. So he's the one who always forced me to work, right? It's Pekong. He helped me a lot with, actually he thinks that he's younger than I, but that's not true, right? Could be a bit crowded in Bangkok actually, and I was a bit afraid of very, very spicy food. So I would say when it comes to spicy food, if I eat papaya salad, I need to be really cautious. I like it a lot because I think if I'm able to order it at the very beginning to tell them Farang spicy level, they will prepare it in a way that I can eat. So I was happy to see that there is a lot of flexibility when it comes to spicy level. I think the city offers a lot of opportunities or things you could see or discover, which is for me like quite busy with noise and traffic and things going on, a lot of people. But on the other hand, I think there are as well spaces, places where it's quite chilled and relaxed. I remember one place that I've been to close to Chao Phraya, which was, I really literally fall asleep in the restaurant, right? Okay, for instance, in the canteen, if they have, right, I will go for the pumpkin because it's as sweet as a dessert, but you can get it for lunch, which is great. Apart from that, I really like the minced pork, for instance. I think this is quite famous, right? I don't remember the Thai name. Pad Kap Prao Mu. Pad Kap Prao Mu. 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 For me, the language was somehow something that I found really funny, but also really hard to grasp. The most important sentence is how noi, because usually they will just give me that much rice that I'm not capable of eating the whole portion. So I'm really happy that, because now when I go to the canteen, the lady at the counter will remember that Farang is ordering how noi, and she will kind of remove part of the rice, which is great.
When you go back home, do you think what will you miss the most about being here?
You guys.